Hey there, today I'll be showing you step by step on how to build a working Lego fireplace. I've built the same exact fireplace in my last mock video. If you want to see how the fireplace looks inside of a building, I'll have a link in the description for that video. Now let's begin. For the first step, get two 1x2 plates and stack them on top of each other, just like this. Then connect a 1x2 tile right on top. Connect this in between two 2x3 plates. It should look like this. Then connect two studs in the side pieces, one on the right side and one on the left side. And place this piece right here. And this is your first step. The next step is to place bricks. And that's your second step. For the next step, you're going to need these Pico LEDs. If you don't have this, I'll have a link in the description where you can get them. Take a flame piece and a cylinder piece and connect them together. Then take another Pico LED and get this 1x1 stud that has a hole in the middle. And place the Pico LED with the white side all the way through here. And put it all the way to here. Like this. And place this to the assembly you assembled earlier, like this. And connect it how you did with the other one. Next step is to build a 2-brick high wall all the way to here. The next step is to place these pieces right here. The same piece on the other side. And 1x2 slopes right here. Build a 5-brick high wall. And to finish it off, place two 1x2 slopes right here. And two cheese slopes. So the fireplace will light up, get one of these pieces, and connect two of these wires into here. Then connect the battery pack into here. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, you might enjoy my other tutorials. I have a link to my tutorial playlist in the description. And I'll see you next time.